Good evening students. Welcome back to the class. In last class you have studied about per capita income and physical quality of life index. So today we are going to study about the human development index and human happiness index. Students, let's study about human development index. The human development index is based on human development. Let's see the definition of Human Development Index given by United Nations Development Programme, that is UNDP. The human development is the expansion process of opportunities that helps the people to improve their human resource. Let's see the factors of human development. The factors of human development are improved educational facilities, better healthcare facilities, and increased training. All the above mentioned factors contribute to human development. The attainment of human development also helps in economic development. For example, let's see a situation. If better education facilities are available in the economy, then there will be an increase in the number of people who receive education and also employment opportunities to the people who got educated. Therefore, an increase in the income and purchasing power. Through that, better standard living also develop in an economy. Okay, next, let's see the main components of HDI. Human Development Index is prepared on the basis of three main components. They are: first one, per capita income; second one, literacy and gross school enrollment rate; and third one, life expectancy. Here, per capita income means it measures the average income earned per person in a given area in a specific year. And second one, literacy and gross school enrollment rate. It means that the number of people who are enrolled in primary education as a percentage of the total children of official school age population. And third one, life expectancy. It is the number of years a person can expect to live. Okay, next, let's see the value of Human Development Index. The value of Human Development Index lies between 0 and 1. Here, 0 indicates least development and 1 indicates the highest level of development. The United Nations Development Programme, that is UNDP, prepares and publishes the Human Development Index by classifying the countries on the basis of these values. Every year since 1990, the UNDP publishes the Human Development Report. Addition to that, let's see the Human Poverty Index by UNO. The Human Poverty Index was developed by the United Nations Organization, that is UNO, complementary to the Human Development Index. Its first report was published in 1997. The Human Poverty Index is calculated on the basis of three components. They are: first one, longevity, that is life expectancy; second one, knowledge; and third one, a decent standard of living. Okay students, let's see the Human Happiness Index. The United Nations Organization, that is UNO, has organized the Human Happiness Index. This index was originally developed by Bhutan, later recognized by the UNO. 9 indicators are considered for the calculation of Human Happiness Index. They are: first one, health; second one, standard of living; third one, conservation of nature and biodiversity; fourth one, social life and neighbor relations; fifth one, good governance; sixth one, cultural diversity; seventh one, education; eighth one, effective use of time; and ninth one, mental health. Students, do you know India ranks 133 among the world nations in the Human Happiness Index in 2018. Human Happiness Index ranked first by Finland, second by Norway, and third rank for Denmark. Okay students, hope that you have understood about the Human Development Index and Human Happiness Index. Read your textbook thoroughly. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So be happy and safe at your home. See you in the next class. Thank you.